Right, so we're trying to find the waterfall. Came across the temple, which apparently it is this way. Came across this little girl who's been very helpful, bringing us up to the Buddha.
Can you show the picture?
Yeah, I'll show you the picture. See this? The waterfall?
Where?
That way? Down?
Right, I get that.
I think we go downstairs. Look at the Buddha. Oh right, to light one. Oh great, thank you. Cass, do you want to light it?
Thank you. No, Buddha and I are not friends.
Doesn't work.
Never mind. Right, little girl, show us the waterfall. And we'll sell you.
Being a good tour guide. Right, show us where the waterfall is. Okay, we're going to go back down. Right.